So here's a not so fun story about house flipping. You know, everybody online that does videos, they talk about how cool they are and how awesome they are. I flipped this house.
This is gonna be raw. This is a raw story.
This is a raw story, yeah. It was 100% done on the market. Some guy came in over the weekend, and I had this really cool stainless fridge. Here, let's show you the kitchen. The kitchen's awesome. I have this really cool fridge. It was that one that has the internet on it. You can like write notes to your kids and check the weather. Apparently somebody else liked it too because they stole it, but they didn't just steal my fridge. They snapped the water line when they stole my fridge. And that was on a Saturday night. The whole thing flooded on Sunday.
So this was all flooded,
yeah,
right?
Caved in the floor. But, you know, I tried to take an unfortunate thing and turn it into a positive. These were hardwoods before, and they creaked. And anytime when I was showing the house the first week that I had it, these were like super creaky, you know? So I took the opportunity, you know, the house flooded. I'm like, what the heck? I'm gonna put in some new sheeting, and now these floors are like rock solid. And the house turned out even better. But you know, it's not all glitz and glam. You know, sometimes somebody steals your fridge and your ceiling caves in.
So
it happens.
How much was that? So you finished the house?
It was 100% finished. It was on the market, pictures, staging.
So how much? What? So the floor flooded, caved in.
Yeah.
How much does that run you?
It was about $5,000. Wow. And in house flipping, you always get the high deductible insurance program, and those adjusters, or you know, whatever they're called, the guys who figure out insurance premiums, they're extremely smart because my deductible coincidentally is about $5,000. So you know, it's something that just comes out of your pocket, and it stinks. But yeah, just try to turn a negative into a positive, and we did in that situation.
So how did he break in, or he or she?
Came through the window in the garage, and
so is it open? You break the window open or something?
yeah,
or?
and it's a problem right now. It's something that's happening all the time. You know, I called in the police report, and the police never even called me back. They don't really care. So
Wow. Okay.